Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a gaming mouse from a company called INPHIC. This is the IN10 gaming mouse on white. This is the box for it. We have some specs on the back right here. So we got the POW3395 sensor, supports 3 connection modes. That means wireless dongle, Bluetooth and wire connection. Ultra lightweight at only 60 grams. Type C fast charging and comfortable feel. Obviously it's got that ergonomic design. I think it looks amazing. The box is quite simple. It just shows you the mouse and the specs, so they kept it simple. I really like that. So for now, let's go ahead and open the box. I am going to show you guys what you get inside the box, and after that we're going to have it set up at one of my PCs so you guys can get a better understanding on how it will look on your setup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. So let's start with the small stuff first. So we got an instruction manual, different languages, mainly Chinese and English. It shows you what the mouse can do, all the functions. I suggest you give this a read so you get a better understanding on the capabilities of the mouse and what it can do. They also gave us grip tapes that will go all around the mouse. So we got the sides, we got the clicks, we got the middle. This is absolutely great. Some people don't like the normal feel and they like grip tape, so they already included, cut to shape, absolutely perfect. Extra skates. So the mouse has some skates on the bottom. They gave us extra skates just in case you wanna change them. For some time they get wear and tear. It depends how long you want to keep your mouse. We have a dongle extender. So you plug this with the cable and you bring the dongle basically closer to the mouse so you can get that 8K or 4K pulling rate, which is absolutely great. Bear in mind, you have to have a strong CPU to use it at max. We have a braided USB Type A to USB Type C cable. This can be used for charging the mouse or to use it in wired mode, also to extend the wireless receiver using the same cable. Now, if we have a look at the mouse, it looks pretty simple. It's really lightweight. It's very lightweight. I absolutely love the feel of it. We got side buttons, we got clicks, left and right click feel absolutely great. The scroll wheel also feels amazing. It's got the rubber material on it. You can click on it as well. On the back we have the skates, which also need to be peeled. So this blue material, I will peel it off later. To turn the mouse on, let's say we do 2.4 gigahertz. Just slide this down. As you can see, it's waiting to be paired. Obviously the receiver is still inside. I'm going to show you guys in a second. We have a pair and DPI button. If you short click, it's going to change the DPI. If you long click, you can pair it with Bluetooth device. So if you have a look in here, we have a compartment. So inside this compartment we find the USB Type A dongle, which will plug into basically any USB port of your PC. Obviously if you want to bring it closer, you can plug it in here in this dongle basically, and you can there you go, you can bring it closer, basically have it in front of the mouse so you can get the best connection and lowest input. Basically that's it with what's inside the box. I'm going to go ahead now and plug it into my PC, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it's next to a nice mouse pad, next to a keyboard, next to your PC. I love the absolute feel of it and the design. I think they're amazing. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so as you can see, the mouse is all set up. It's plugged into my PC. I tested it out a bit. It feels absolutely amazing. I peeled off the sticker on the skates, and now it just feels really smooth. It's super lightweight, so the movement is absolutely amazing. Really responsive, as you can see, no lag, no delay. Clicks work great, they also sound amazing. I'm using the DPI mode purple. I'm not sure which one purple is. I'm pretty sure they have a software. Basically, you short click once, just press once, and you will change the DPI accordingly, and you'll have different colors. Right now I think it's about 6 or 7,000 DPI. It's exactly how I like it, especially that I have a 4K monitor with high refresh rate and I play mostly competitive games. It feels great. I heard the battery lasts a while, so probably about like 2 or 3 days, which is not bad. I always charge my mouse at night anyway when I finish gaming. Yeah, pretty much that's it. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.